we wanted to take some email questions as well this evening and share some stories. Chase, this one comes from Molly, whose husband was in the hospital, but the insurance company is denying the claim because apparently the family was behind a payment when his injury happened. She says it was only a week past due, and she was told that that was okay. What are the rules on this sort of thing, Chase?
Sure. In almost every state, there's going to be a rule that we commonly refer to as a grace period. And it applies in a number of situations. But in the circumstance that she's talking about, this is a failure to pay the premium. Well, both Georgia and South Carolina, there's a notice requirement that the insurance company intends to cancel your policy for non-payment. And in Georgia, it's 10 days. Under certain circumstances in South Carolina, it can be shortened. But they both have this grace period, and usually 10 days is what the grace period allows. And they have to give you notification in writing. Them calling you is not going to cut it. They're going to, and not only that, they have to be able to produce the writing. They have to show that it was sent. Usually, a certified mail return receipt will suffice to prove that in court. Otherwise, the policy is going to actually cover, and the court's going to enforce that. And this is another situation in which I'm telling you, by being an attorney, you have kind of the inside scoop. The rules, or at least someone on your side knows the rules. And the insurance company deals with these things all the time. Unfortunately, not all the insurance adjusters, the people actually handling it for the insurance company, know the rules in your particular state. All the time, I see cases that are being negotiated by somebody in Texas, and it has to do with Georgia law. And the laws change state to state. And these adjusters sometimes are new, sometimes are misinformed, sometimes they're actually trying to get over on you and try and make an extra buck for their employer.
Makes sense indeed. And grace period pretty similar in South Carolina, Kip?
It is.
Yeah, it is. And like Chase mentioned, most states have those, and for this particular issue, this very issue. So you have adequate coverage when the time comes, or you have that need. So